So, you may notice these are open. One of our friends told us that these were the worst Oreos ever.
Glad she mentioned that.
And gave us these so we could try them. Which I guess I'm glad, because if they are the worst Oreos ever, then I didn't have to buy them. This is the hashtag My Oreo Creation Oreos. There is cherry cola. There is pina colada, which Greg's gonna love. That coconut flavor. And kettle corn. And we decided, since, you know, Oreos are my favorite cookie, we might as well try them.
I didn't even know this My Oreo Creations
thing
was a thing.
We could have created an Oreo flavor. If you could create an Oreo flavor, what would you make it? If you could make a flavor, what would you make? See, I immediately think of like a mud pie, but they already did the Mississippi mud pie Oreos. But like if that's the Oreo I think of, if I'm like, I could create an Oreo, any flavor Oreo I wanted. Superman ice cream with the white.
Superman ice cream?
Superman ice cream, but with the white Oreos.
See, I don't know.
So it'd be like super fruity.
I could picture that. I don't know.
That'd be a Michigan thing, though. Not everybody knows what Superman ice cream is. What would you make, Memphis?
She's like, anything. Just give me the anything.
Food flavored food.
So,
are we going to try these?
We're going to try these cherry cola ones first.
And it's supposed to be the worst. Sounds like it'd be the best.
Hey, well, they don't smell very good. Show them.
Ooh, there's a smell. I'm like, I knew there was a smell.
Let's open one up before we try it and show. Hold that up to the camera so they can see the middle of it.
That is strong.
It smells like.
Whoa, that was really cool looking on the inside.
Yeah, right. Mine's got a smiley face.
Mine too, kind of.
So apparently they have popping candies in them as well.
What? Oh no.
Should I eat it like I normally eat an Oreo? I'm gonna eat it like I normally eat an Oreo with the top
That's
off.
really strong. I don't know. I gotta find out if the.
We better eat it because we're already trying it.
Huh.
Maybe I just got it really bad. I don't know.
No.
I gotta try just the frosting.
They taste like
I think the red and the white taste the same.
chemicals.
Alright, eat the cookie.
They taste like
Cookie smells.
paint. It does. It literally tastes like paint. It tastes like the way paint smells.
I'm done.
I can't even finish that.
Okay,
The cookie still tastes like cookie?
cookie's actually not bad.
That's because it's an Oreo. Nobody should eat the middle of that. That's horrible. Oreo, what did you do? Who tried this and said,
That tastes like cherry Coke.
this tastes like cherry
I
Coke?
think they missed the cherry flavor.
It doesn't taste like cherry.
But yeah, I don't know.
This was just bad.
That
Even
was
just like a-
bad.
I'm sorry to whoever created this, but
soda or
Oreo did
something?
not do your idea justice.
cream soda.
It was a good idea.
That should
but-
be the
cream soda.
A cream soda Oreo
That should be
Yes,
the
in this
soda flavored.
in the white color, in the
White.
white cookie. Yeah. So
Cream
it's not a
soda or,
chocolate.
Right.
So it's like a vanilla.
Or
right.
a root beer.
Ooh, I think they did root beer. They did do root beer.
Did they do root beer?
No.
Yeah.
Then never mind. Not root beer.
That's
Bad.
gross. Don't buy those.
Don't buy those.
They're not
Sorry,
worth
Oreo.
it. Just trust us. There's a consensus of multiple people.
I haven't even tried these, and I can tell you probably don't buy them. They're gonna taste like coconut, and
No,
nobody likes coconut.
they might actually be really good.
I'm excited about pina colada ones. Now I don't like pina coladas at all.
I like pina colada, but I don't know. The kettle corn really has me. Now I'm reading the packages with puff
Smell
milk
like coconut.
They
pieces.
smell like
Lime.
Whoa! Yeah, almost like a pie, like a lime pie, but it's not lime.
And coconut.
okay.
Let me smell that again.
These ones we don't really have to
It is.
open because they're thin.
Yep, it smells like the beach. Like you put
Like the
too
beach.
Like you put too much
Like
lotion on
pina
somebody.
colada. They're gonna taste like lotion.
Now they're gonna taste like lotion. I better eat a handful.
A handful.
It tastes like lotion now. Oh, they smell. They smell like lotion now. It might be good. No.
Greg doesn't like coconut.
Woo!
I tell you what, they're better than them. What?
Wow.
You
They're
can't have
better?
these. You're allergic to coconut.
Okay, I'm gonna try one.
They're better than the. I gotta do 2. I gotta make sure
Wow.
that I actually like that. I taste the pineapple.
They're the They're the thins. They're the Oreo
Real
thins, so they're very light. But I don't know.
There's coconut.
It's very tart.
If you like coconut.
It tastes like pina colada. It does.
I guess that's actually That's
If you like pina coladas,
And getting caught in the rain.
you might like these.
Isn't that how the song goes?
Yes.
If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the
Come to me. If you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain.
Ugh.
oh, there you got paint on the table.
So these, I'm still chewing.
Will be the best. I can tell you right now.
Kettle corn, which I love.
I like kettle
These
corn.
have
Yeah, I just read
Hi.
that on there too.
Puff-
Oh, you would like some too? Huh?
millet pieces
Oh.
in them.
So millet must be just broken up.
Like
Popcorn?
Popcorn.
Memphis is like,
I
hey, my turn.
love
Memphis.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, yeah, you can really smell that one too.
That one smells much better. It smells
Very buttery, yeah.
Very buttery.
Sweet.
You want to smell it?
Wow.
Doesn't that smell good?
Okay, that does smell good.
All right.
Oh, I
now
want
get
to
down.
open it and see what the middle looks like.
I don't know.
You can't really see the puffed millets.
They really went overboard on the
Okay,
flavor. I mean, if they remind me of like, if they were on a scale of hard candies, these would be
There you
the
go.
Jolly Ranchers of the
Of hard candies?
Of the candies.
Oh yeah, show that to them. So you
See,
can
I
actually see
scraped
the little
it, and
pieces.
you can see one of the
Whoa,
focus.
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 There it
There
goes.
you go.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can.
You can see the little pieces in
Hi,
it.
how are you? You can have an Oreo in a second. Okay, I'm going for it.
Oh, the whole center's coming off. I just might have to do it.
Mmm.
That's probably a bad idea.
Okay,
This
so
one
the
is
best one
really
is this
good.
one. Hands
This
down.
one is really, really good.
It smells like a bag of kettle corn. It tastes like kettle corn.
It's like eating frosting with popcorn in it.
You did just eat frosting with popcorn in it.
I should eat a cookie now.
You should eat another one.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, so what was your favorite one?
This one?
Yeah, I'm still
Duh.
eating it. I have to say, I do kind of like the pina coladas because they're the thins. I like the Oreo thins. They're very flavorful. They have a lot of flavor. But I think that might be the problem with my Oreo creations is they just seem like they're really flavorful. Maybe Tony.
Now look at this. None of us finished.
It actually looks like the top of the
I actually finished this
Oreo
one, yeah.
package.
You did, and you don't even like coconut. Because
No,
it's
it's
not
just-
like super bad. Kettle
Oh.
corn for the
corn.
win.
Buy
I like
a pack
that.
of these,
Yep.
and if you like pina coladas, buy a pack of these.
Alright,
Yep.
girls.
Because these are the thins, so that makes them really good.
Yeah.
Please don't knock the camera down. Show her this cookie and get her to come that way towards you.
Yeah, good luck with that. Whoa.
Come here, Memphis. Here. Okay, give me that cookie.
Very quick to table anyway.
Okay. You can have a little piece of an Oreo. A white Oreo. Not a chocolate Oreo. Greg's gonna give a piece to Oakley.
You find Shelby.
You get down. And I will give a little piece to Shelby. They get a pina colada Oreo.
Yeah,
You
like
already
that?
had a piece. What is your opinion?
Hmm?
My opinion is I want more. How about
like
you?
that?
Their opinion is they want more.
I like that one.
What? Now we gotta give another piece to. Gotta make it
That was just a
fair.
little cookie. I didn't
Gotta
want to
make
eat
it
it all.
fair. Here, have another piece. Okay, now it's fair. Oh, and a piece for me.
There it is. All right.
All right, you guys. Well,
Yeah.
that was pretty good.
Kettle corn for the win.
Kettle corn is definitely the best out of all of them.
I got you. You're not
Dunking
gonna eat them
in
all.
milk,
No,
I think.
no, I gotcha.
Not necessary on these flavors.
I don't
think
think I would dunk any of these in milk.
I don't
That one
know.
might be good.
That one might be good. That one would
I'd
be
be
just
tempted.
weird.
I'd be tempted to
Coconut
dunk them
milk.
all into. Yeah,
There you go.
right.
That
Or
might be
like a
really
hot
good.
chocolate
Yeah.
or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
That'd be weird.
So, alright you guys, let us know what you thought of today's video. Have you tried any of the Oreo flavors? What did you think? The cherry Coke ones are gross, or cherry
Yes.
cola. The cherry cola ones are gross. And
Yeah.
sorry,
They were
Oreo, but
bad.
they were bad.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to agree with that.
I only didn't like these because they were coconutty. I could taste the pineapple and the lime, and
Yeah.
that was good, but the too much coconut.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, As always, if you are new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Memphis is literally on the table next to the camera. If you guys are wondering what we're looking at, we're trying to make sure she doesn't knock the expensive camera down.
It looks like she's gonna walk right into the camera, but nope, she's happy on the table there.
Jamie was sitting in that chair and left it pushed out. I pushed it in for the last video. She figures it out. She's like, this chair, I can go.
Yep.
Get up on here. All right. Goodbye, guys.